Alright, Naka, any questions for Coach and Captain regarding today's match?
Oh, look, I'm really proud of the boys, especially go down to 13 men in the first half is not ideal. But it just shows, I think, the character, especially I really liked what they did when they bounced back and took the lead, but then also just before half time, just growing in terms of how they're going around closing that out and getting the ball out. We definitely had our opportunities in the second half. I think we knew the Brumbies were going to go really hard at the breakdown, and they were rewarded pretty well, and we probably missed a couple of rolls. But yeah, look, good credit to the boys. I mean, that's the first game of a long season. We knew the Brumbies were going to come hard at us, and they're pretty happy as a team to walk away with the win.
Do you feel today's game the boys didn't go the full 80 minutes?
What do you mean by that?
They started the game well, and later to some point of the second half they let down a bit and let the Brumbies back into the game. Or do you feel that the boys played the whole 80 minutes?
Yeah, I think, like I said, we played with 13 men for 6 to 15 minutes, didn't we? And so, I think it was a great effort. It's the first game of the season, so it's always going to be an impressive blowout for our boys. And I think had a good opportunity. I think Kitty Salah was strong on the ball at the end there, and unfortunately we just didn't get the pull there. But that's life in rugby. And then, if we got that, we would have been sitting here and talking about how well we played for 80 minutes. So I think we did, yeah.
Coach, just a follow-up for me. First shot in today's game. What are some positives you can take away from this match against Brumbies?
Well, the Brumbies have won Super Rugby many times. They've had a great pre-season, 2 good win, or drawn a good win. Look, they're a class team that have been playing Super Rugby for over 30 years, and I think the positive is that we were right in the sniff to win that. We didn't, which is disappointing, but I think your bonus points are going to be crucial at the end of the wrap-up of this team. So again, I think we're learning a couple of discipline issues that we probably let go there, but overall I think in terms of the positive, we'll review it on Monday, but I think it's a good lead into a tough game next week against the Hurricanes.
Coach, just your thoughts on the boys and debut?
Yeah, look, scored try. It's good from obviously unfortunate for Moate there, but Pony played really well. I thought Tuai did a really good job when he came on. So it's awesome to get a cap. It's just unfortunate we didn't get the win for those boys, but they've been great additions to our team, and so far I think they're enjoying it. And it's, like I said, just disappointing that we didn't get the win for them.
Successful as a captain leading the team on the field. What were some positives and what some negatives during the game?
I think Jack said it well. Letting men down, not easy having to defend. A good Brumbies side, attacking the edges, taking out wide, and thank the forwards for doing a very great job manning up around the edges because we were short on our backs. As I said, we just go back to the drawing board and try to be better for next week.
Tevita, just some areas you said you need to improve on in your next game against Hurricanes this week.
I said we'll go back to the drawing board. We'll see, relax today, review tomorrow, recover tomorrow, review on Monday. We'll see us next week.
Coach, just what's the update on Masti and Tevita?
Oh, look, Massey's did a good job. He's been out for a little while with a hamstring injury, so to get as many minutes as we did was good. Obviously, we had a couple of injuries, which was disappointing. Mirima's just sprained his ankle, so we'll find out more about that. But yeah, no, I thought we were just probably a little bit Massey was probably a little bit unprepared at training, but to get as many minutes out as we did was great for him. I think. Yeah, so I think obviously I think it's great playing in Suva out of it as well. I thought the crowd was outstanding. It wasn't a great day in terms of weather-wise, but to see a pretty full house here is credit to the Suva community and the Fijian public coming out and enjoying a game of footy.
So looking ahead, what are some of the main areas you focus on for the upcoming games?
Well, the Hurricanes are a bit like the Brumbies around the breakdown. They go really hard there. They've got some really good loose forwards, good centres that go hard. So it's certainly an area we've focused on all year around getting our breakdown in order. In terms of, I thought our boys exited really well, so it's something we've worked on, I think, over the break, and most of the time it's a really good job. So I think the biggest focus is just making sure that this team has some belief. I think that it's growing with them, and just making sure that we understand that on the road is something we're very focused on getting the win.
No, we'll all the best for next season.
No.
Thank you.